Success starts in your mind, but most people don't realize they're stuck in patterns of negativity that hold them back. What if you could flip the script? What if, in just a few moments, you could completely shift your energy, boost your focus, and unlock the mindset that creates unstoppable results? It's not magic, it's science. And it's something you can master today. In this video, you'll learn powerful techniques to instantly change your energy, rewire your brain, and take control of your future. Don't settle for ordinary when you have the tools to create extraordinary things. Let's get started, because the life you want is waiting. Energy isn't just some abstract concept. It's the force that influences everything you do. Think about it. The way you feel in any given moment can either drive you forward or hold you back. When your energy is high, you're focused, motivated, and unstoppable. But when your energy is low, even the simplest tasks feel like a mountain to climb. Your energy is the foundation of how you approach life, and it directly shapes your decisions, actions, and ultimately, your results. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt the mood? That's energy in action. It's contagious. The energy you carry not only affects you, but also impacts those around you. If you're radiating positivity and confidence, people are naturally drawn to you, opportunities come more easily, and challenges feel manageable. On the other hand, when your energy is negative, it can create a cycle of frustration, procrastination, and missed opportunities. Your energy and your mindset are deeply connected. How you think influences how you feel, and how you feel determines your energy. It's a loop, one that you can take control of. By understanding how energy works, you can start to align it with your goals and create the momentum you need for success. Remember, the key to success isn't just working harder, it's working smarter by shifting your energy to match the life you want to create. Your mind is like a supercomputer, constantly running programs in the background. Programs you may not even realize are there. These programs are your thoughts, beliefs, and habits, and they determine how you respond to life's challenges. The good news? Just like a computer, your mind can be reprogrammed. Science calls this neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new connections. Every thought you think, every habit you repeat, is wiring your brain to behave in a specific way. For example, if you constantly think, "I'm not good enough," your brain strengthens that belief until it becomes your default way of thinking. But here's the exciting part. The same process works in reverse. When you intentionally focus on empowering thoughts, your brain starts to build new, positive pathways. Think about how powerful that is. You don't have to stay stuck in patterns of self-doubt or fear. You can create a mindset that is laser-focused on success. It starts with awareness, recognizing the thoughts that don't serve you, and then choosing new, empowering beliefs to replace them. Visualization, affirmations, and mindfulness are just a few of the tools that help you rewire your brain for success. Science proves it. Your brain is a dynamic, ever-changing system, and when you start to harness its power, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Shifting your mindset isn't just a feel-good idea, it's a scientifically backed process that can transform your life. The first step to transformation is understanding where you are right now. You can't change what you don't recognize, so it's time to take an honest look at your current energy and mindset. What kind of thoughts run through your mind on a daily basis? Are they uplifting and empowering, Or are they filled with doubt, fear, and negativity? The way you think is a direct reflection of the energy you're putting out into the world. Start by observing your patterns. Pay attention to your reactions when things don't go as planned. Do you get frustrated and give up, or do you find a way to adapt and move forward? Your energy patterns reveal themselves in these moments. Another helpful tool is journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and reactions at the end of each day. You'll begin to notice recurring themes. Those are your current patterns. Next, assess your physical energy. Do you wake up feeling refreshed, or do you drag through the day barely getting by? Low physical energy often mirrors low mental and emotional energy. Remember, how you feel physically affects how you show up mentally and emotionally. Identifying these patterns is crucial because it gives you a starting point. Once you know what's holding you back, you can begin shifting toward a more positive, success-driven mindset. Now that you've identified your patterns, let's talk about how to shift your energy instantly. Sometimes, all it takes is a small change to completely reset your mindset and mood. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to boost your energy is through breathing exercises. Try this. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 4 counts. This quick reset not only calms your mind, but also energizes your body. Movement is another game changer. When you feel stuck or sluggish, get up and move. Stretch, do a few jumping jacks, or go for a brisk walk. Physical movement releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that instantly lift your mood. And don't underestimate the power of music. Put on a song that makes you feel unstoppable and let the energy flow. Gratitude is another immediate energy booster. Pause for a moment and think of 3 things you're genuinely thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, instantly elevating your vibration. Even something as simple as smiling, yes, even if you don't feel like it, can trick your brain into feeling more positive. The key is to find what works for you and make it a habit. These quick methods are like tools in your energy toolkit. Use them whenever you feel stuck or need a boost. You don't have to wait for a perfect moment to reset your energy. You can shift it anytime, anywhere, and it only takes a few seconds to transform how you feel and approach the day. Reprogramming your mind doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent daily practices, you can create lasting changes that lead to success. The first step is incorporating affirmations into your routine. Affirmations are positive, empowering statements that reinforce the mindset you want to develop. For example, instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," replace it with, "I am capable, confident, and ready to succeed." Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally in front of a mirror, to train your brain to believe them. Visualization is another powerful tool. Close your eyes and picture your future self living the life you want. Imagine the details. What does success look like for you? How do you feel? What do you see, hear, and experience in that moment? Visualization primes your mind for action, helping you align your thoughts with your goals. Start your day with intentionality. Each morning, take a few moments to set your intentions for the day. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that will move me closer to my goals? Write it down and focus on it throughout the day. This simple habit keeps your mind focused on what truly matters. Finally, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness trains you to live in the present moment and observe your thoughts without judgment. Even just 5 minutes of meditation a day can help you develop greater self-awareness and control over your mindset. These daily practices might seem small, but their impact compounds over time, rewiring your brain for confidence, clarity, and success. Your environment has a huge influence on your energy and mindset, whether you realize it or not. Everything around you, your physical space, the people you interact with, and even the media you consume, can either lift you up or drag you down. If you want to shift your energy for success, you need to create an environment that supports your goals. Start with your physical space. Clutter isn't just visual, it's mental. A messy space can lead to a scattered mind. Take some time to declutter and organize your surroundings. Keep only the items that inspire you or bring you joy. Create a space that feels calm, clean, and motivating. When your physical environment is in order, it's easier to maintain mental clarity. Next, evaluate the people in your life. Are the people around you encouraging and supportive, or are they draining your energy? Surround yourself with individuals who believe in you and inspire you to be your best. Sometimes this means limiting time with negative influences and seeking out new uplifting connections. Finally, pay attention to what you consume. The books you read, the videos you watch, and even the social media you scroll through all feed your mind. Choose content that motivates, educates, and aligns with your goals. Remember, your environment is a reflection of what you prioritize. When you create a space that aligns with the energy you want, you set yourself up for success on every level. Energy and mindset are essential, but they only create results when paired with intentional action. Success isn't about waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about taking consistent, aligned steps toward your goals every single day. The key is to make sure your actions reflect the life you want to create. Start by clarifying your goals. What do you want to achieve, and why is it important to you? Write your goals down and break them into smaller, actionable steps. Focus on progress, not perfection. Even the smallest actions can build momentum, and momentum is what creates lasting change. Prioritize what truly matters. It's easy to get caught up in busy work, but not all tasks move you closer to success. Ask yourself, is this action helping me achieve my goal? If the answer is no, let it go. Stay laser-focused on the activities that align with your vision and create the most impact. And don't forget about habits. Your daily habits are the building blocks of your future. If your habits don't match your goals, it's time to make adjustments. Replace old, unproductive routines with ones that support your success. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up consistently and taking intentional steps forward. Aligned action not only brings results, but also reinforces your energy and mindset. When you see progress, no matter how small, it motivates you to keep going. Success isn't built overnight, it's built one action at a time, and every step you take gets you closer to the life you deserve. It's important to watch out for common pitfalls that can slow your progress. One of the biggest mistakes is expecting instant results. While small shifts in energy can happen quickly, real transformation takes time and consistent effort. Stay patient and trust the process. Another common pitfall is falling back into old patterns. It's normal for your mind to resist change at first. It's simply trying to stick to what feels familiar. When this happens, remind yourself why you started. Revisit your goals, repeat your affirmations, and refocus on your vision. Consistency is what rewires your brain, so don't let temporary setbacks discourage you. Overwhelm is another challenge. If you try to change everything at once, you might burn out before you see results. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 changes at a time. Master those before moving on to the next. Remember, transformation isn't about doing everything perfectly, it's about progress. Lastly, don't let self-doubt creep in. It's easy to question yourself when things get hard, but remember that every successful person has faced challenges. Use these moments as opportunities to grow stronger. Surround yourself with supportive people, revisit the tools and techniques you've learned, and keep moving forward. By staying aware of these pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them, you'll stay on track and build the momentum needed to achieve lasting success. You now have the tools to shift your energy and reprogram your mind for success. But the journey doesn't stop here. It begins today. Remember, your energy is the driving force behind everything you do, and your mindset is the foundation for achieving your goals. When you combine these 2 elements with intentional action, you become unstoppable. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Begin with just 1 practice, whether it's repeating affirmations, practicing gratitude, or decluttering your space. Small, consistent changes build momentum, and momentum leads to transformation. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Stay consistent. True transformation comes from showing up for yourself every day. Even when it feels challenging, even when you doubt yourself, keep going. The most successful people are the ones who push through obstacles, stay committed, and never give up on their vision. Finally, believe in yourself. You already have everything you need within you to create the life you want. The only thing standing in your way is the story you tell yourself. Change the story, shift your energy, and take action. Success isn't just something that happens to other people, it's something you can create for yourself. So, take the first step today, whether it's practicing one of the quick energy-shifting techniques or taking action on a long-held dream. Start now. The life you want is closer than you think, and it all begins with the decision to shift your energy and reprogram your mind for success. The future is yours to create. Make it extraordinary.